I don't know why people talk about heartbreaks only in romantic relationships. The heartbreak you feel when you pour your heart and soul into building something, into your work, and then it gets rejected. So painful. And for the romantic relationship heartbreak, you have so many resources online. One search on YouTube, you have so many people validating that pain and validating your suffering and helping you through it. But when you search for some support online for the heartbreak that you feel because of the work that you did in public or something that you built in public and it got rejected, there's none. The videos that you get are all just be consistent, just be disciplined, your time will come, try harder. It causes you even more pain that nobody is validating my pain, nobody is understanding my suffering. If you want to start something in public, I want to validate your fear. Let this be that video. I want to tell you that pain is brutal, it's horrible, it keeps you up at night. It's a lot of suffering. I know people tell you that just dive in, don't fear rejection therapy and all of those things. But you know what happens if you go in and face that rejection without having enough support and skills for it? It's like you'd have no muscle. It's your day one in the gym and you are trying to lift the heaviest weight in the gym. You don't have the muscle to face that rejection. You cannot lift that weight. It's too heavy for you. Don't do it. Before facing that pain, practice in a safe environment. Like you go from KG to PhD. Nobody's doing college degree level studies for a child who is in KG. You are in kindergarten. If you don't have the support and skills to face that rejection and your fear is valid, don't face it without support and skills. Don't do it. Practice in a safe environment where you can learn those skills, where you can be messy and it is still safe for you to do that. Where somebody can support you to face that pain, to deal with it in a healthy way and only then face that rejection. You cannot lift the heaviest weight in the gym on your first day. You need to build the muscle for it. Otherwise, it's very unsafe. Don't do it. Add support and skills and then you can face the rejection. If you're someone who has already faced that pain of heartbreak and that rejection of your work or something that you have built with so much love, with so much heart, I'm so sorry that you faced that. I want to validate your pain. You did not have the support and skills to face it, and that's why you went into that unhelpful spiral of shaming yourself or doing something which you know is harmful for you. It's not your fault. You're not the problem. You did not have the support and skills for it. This time, the next time when you do this, when you do it again, and if you do it again, I wish you do it again. When you do it this time, please add the support and skills. Please practice in a safe environment. And then with all that support and skill and all that practice, you'll be able to face that rejection safely without harming yourself and create wonderful things in this world. I believe in you. You just need support and skills. Please add them.